here to the overview thing. I think we'll start out with the login page. Down there, and you log in with their email and their password. So we will log in here. And we'll put in our password. And if you have problems logging in, be sure to call the personal support desk at 1-866-693-2211. This is a 24/7 service. You can use it from wherever you are. We'll click on sign in, and that will take us to our home page. You'll notice up here on the top, we have tabs for home, my profile, my calendar, resources, my portfolio, and groups. We're only going to talk about a couple of these today. This is your home page. If you click on home, you come basically right to this page. Now I've got several courses already in here. Okay, yours may not have anything yet. It may only have one or two. If you need to see all of your courses, you can go over here on this left-hand column and click on My Courses, and it will show you your courses, and you can go to any one of those and click on the course you've got. These two are from summer, from spring, so you can click on any course, and it will take you right to that course. You can also click on the Mail tab here, the Mail button, and check your inbox to see if you've got any emails from anybody or not. Okay? So that's how this page works. We'll just pick a course, so we can click back here to home, and it brings us right back to our home page. And you can click on any one of these courses. It will show you that in a minute here. The other tab you might find very useful will be Resources. If you click on the Resources tab, you will notice that you have electronic resources, databases, reference books. You can do a chat with a librarian, a live chat with a librarian. We have APA guides. Some of you are not familiar with APA or haven't been with it for a while. Noodlebib, very handy thing. Check out all this stuff. If you need some online tutoring, click on the word here. It will tell you how to connect to online tutoring services. Career services, there's a resume builder, a job connect service, right? And finally, down the bottom, system overview. If you want to watch a couple different things on this system, these are very generic little demonstrations, how to find your grades, and just a generic demonstration. So this is your resources page. Again, you click back on the home page, and it will take you back to your course. Pick any one of these courses. I'll just pick the top one because it's here. If I'm in this course, you see you've got three columns, a left side, a middle, and a right side column. Now every course you've got is going to be different because every instructor you have is going to be different. I happen to put an instructor information block up here. It has a little picture of me, gives you my name, tells you how to get hold of me. Every instructor you have will be different. That's the beauty of college, is you don't get stuck with the same person over and over and over again. You have announcements. Some instructors will use these a lot. Other instructors will hardly use them at all. You've got a course wall section here. This is very similar to announcements, except that anyone can post here. So if you want to post just a general comment to the class, and keep in mind everyone can read whatever you post here. If you want to post just a general comment to the class, something you found that's great, a picture of your new baby, whatever it might be, you can use the course wall for that. Over here on the navigation side, the left-hand side, you'll notice that you've got all sorts of little areas that you can go into. Live classroom, we'll certainly talk about that. Your individual weekly modules, and then you have a course administration section where you can actually go to check your grades if you want to do that. Okay? If you scroll down the page, some instructors use videos, others don't. Some use a lot, some use a few. There'll always be a getting started thing. Syllabus, if you want to learn all about the course, what it's supposed to be about, what the grading scale is, and so on, click on syllabus. If you need to see a schedule of the 6 weeks, click on course schedule, general course questions, student lounge. Most of these things are familiar to people. About your book, where to find your book. The live classroom area is probably the key. If you're in one of these 6-week courses, there will be a live classroom every week. If you click on that, it will give you directions on how to connect to the live classroom. You can ask, your instructor will normally post information saying, the live classes tonight at a certain time, and normally they'll keep it the same time every week. They will record these things, so you'll be able to go and find a recording. There are points associated with these, but here again, every instructor is going to be different. For my students, I have people just send me an email about what they got out of the live lecture or the archive. Other people have a little quiz that people have to do. Everyone's different. So I guess let me leave you with this. Each course will look similar, but every instructor is going to be different. Again, if you get stuck on anything, go to this resources tab. Lots of help here from the librarian. If you're not sure how to look up your grades, go down here to grades demonstration and watch that. Thank you much for watching.